unethical. It was dirty. The tubs would leak over them. They didn't have trash bags at the time. The workers had no protective gear like you would think of today, wearing gloves or coveralls, for instance. Their wages were very low, less than $1.50 an hour, and they had no benefits. So they took these demands to the mayor at the time, Memphis Mayor Henry Loeb. He rejected the demands, and so they went on strike.
Now, how does Martin Luther King Jr. enter this story?
A local pastor invites him to come and lead a citywide work stoppage in support of the strike. This was a social issue right in line with the Poor People's Campaign for Economic Justice, which King was working on at the time. So it was March 28th. He came, he led this demonstration, but that ended in violent clashes between protesters and police. The chaos was captured on camera.
You said this was the end of March 1968. What happened then?
King had to be whisked away for safety from that march, but he planned on coming back and staging another demonstration in the city. That was scheduled for April 4th. Well, the night before, King was in Memphis. Workers had gathered at the Mason Temple, and he came to give